I'm going to show you 4 cards, okay? You have to tell me which one sounds different. Are you ready? Let's see. Foot, fish, chicken, fun. Listen. Very good. Food, fish, chicken, fun. Are you? Which one is different? Good. Perfect. Now we're going to try it again. Let me see. Okay, pay attention. Sock, sun, bun, sun. Which one is different? Very good. Perfect. And let's try again. Do we have here bag, bin, pan, jar. Good. You did great. Okay, one more. Let me try with this one. Pay attention. Duck, lock, doll, dog. Which one? You did great. Perfect. Thank you.